Here's some tips to stay safe online, which may also keep you safe in the real world. As harsh as this may sound, you don't need to post everything online immediately or ever. Are you going on vacation? Can the photos wait until you return? Posting photos of your trip might advertise an empty home to would-be burglars, even if your property is being watched by family, friends, and neighbors. Concerned by AI deepfakes? Limit what you post, such as photos, videos, and audio. If you doubt modern-day progress, search for the presidential Discord on TikTok. Still have doubts? Taylor Swift is a victim of internet trolls, using AI deepfakes to create adult content. The actress who played Miss Marvel in The Marvels is also a victim of deepfakes at the age of 17. This disgusting behavior doesn't just affect rich and famous adults. It may also affect children, so legislators need to act immediately. The data you produce on a daily basis, that most brokers gather, is not just limited to your email addresses, social media accounts, internet browsing, and online shopping. In extreme cases, it includes what you post, what platforms you post on, and where in the world you're posting from. Data is used in some cases to create a sentiment analysis for any given topic. Strategies can be developed to sway opinions. If you're not paying for it, you're the product. And the area of data science can be put to good use by those with money. Pay close attention to social media and the news before and during the US presidential election. Data helps create strategies. Strategies helps develop plans of action, which in turn produces results. We won't get into how your data can create a unique profile about you, the individual. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share to spread some useful tips to stay safe online.